Keeping a dependable car in good condition can save you money on maintenance and keep you driving safely. The Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles advises drivers to keep their cars in good working order by performing routine maintenance. Tips for maintaining a vehicle. Regularly check for car recalls, especially those involving tires, and schedule any necessary repairs to safeguard the safety of everyone on the road. Visit nhtsa.gov/recalls and input the 17-character Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, located on the driver's side of your dashboard or on your vehicle registration to search for recalls for your specific car. The first line of defense for your car on the road is its tires, which you should inspect each month for corrosion, wear on the tread, and adequate inflation. Never drive on tires that are older than 6 years. Don't forget to make sure your spare tire is in good shape and ready to go. For further details on how to properly maintain your tires, visit the Tire Safety website. Your vehicle's tires will operate more efficiently and last longer if they are balanced and aligned correctly. Have your car's alignment examined once a year or as soon as your tires start to wear unevenly or handle poorly. Every 5,000 miles or as often as advised by the tire manufacturer, tires should be rotated. To prevent wear on shock absorbers and struts, tires should be balanced when being rotated. The braking system of your car is essential for maintaining your and other drivers' safety while driving. In all traffic conditions and road conditions, dependable brakes provide vehicle control and safe operation. Repair your brakes right away if you notice that your car is starting to pull to one side, tremble, or create noise when you brake. The longer brakes are neglected, the more probable it is that new rotors and drums will need to be installed, making the repair much more expensive. Headlights can age and turn yellow as a result of sun damage. Headlights that are cloudy can make it harder for you to see and be noticed on the road. If you want better vision in an older vehicle, think about replacing the headlight housing or using restoration cleaners. When traveling in bad weather, having windshield wipers that work properly is essential. In hot, sunny locations like Florida, windshield wipers may deteriorate more quickly and require replacement more frequently. Check your windshield wipers occasionally, and replace them if necessary. Wipers that are squeaky or streaky need to be replaced. It's stressful to become lost on the road. To prevent being stranded with a dead battery, check the battery charge and connections in your car on a regular basis. Both vehicles that are not driven for an extended period of time and those that are driven for brief periods of time with repeated on-off engine cycles will have a faster loss of battery charge. A battery can also be discharged by heat. In hot climes, the average battery life is 3 years. It might be time to think about getting a new battery if yours is getting old. Coolant, transmission fluid, and motor oil are just a few of the specially prepared fluids that keep your car operating smoothly and safeguard its internal parts. These fluids may degrade more quickly due to most states' hot climate. Every month, especially during the summer, check the fluid levels and top them out or replace them as needed. To make sure your car is trustworthy and keeps you safe on the road, perform routine maintenance. For detailed manufacturer advice on what to check and when, consult your car's owner manual.